If you've used Zendesk in the past, you can easily import your tickets from Zendesk directly into Teamwork Desk, and doing so couldn't be easier. All we need to do is select our profile picture on the top right, select Settings. In the General tab, go down to Import Data, and here you can see the option to import from Zendesk. The next thing that we need to do is add our Zendesk email. Once we've added our email, we need to enter our API token from Zendesk, and to do that, we need to head over to our Zendesk installation. In Zendesk, we need to select our settings cog on the left-hand side, and under the channel section, make sure that we've selected API. In our API page, we need to toggle on our token access, and then activate an API token. Next up, we just copy our token and save our changes, and now we can head back over to Teamwork Desk. Now just paste in our API token. Below this, we need to add our subdomain for Zendesk. So our Zendesk URL will be something along the lines of yourcompany.zendesk.com. And all we need to add in here is the Your Company part. For the fallback inbox option, we need to select an inbox for any tickets that might be in a Zendesk inbox that doesn't match a Teamwork inbox. So let's say support inbox. And now all we need to do is start our import. In our import history tab, you can see that our Zendesk import was successful, and now we can continue working on those tickets directly from Teamwork Desk. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.